This Axxess TYTO-01 harness lets you retain the factory JBL or JBL Synthesis amplifier when installing an aftermarket head unit in many mid-2000 Toyota vehicles, avoiding the hassle of a full rewiring job. The included interface and dedicated harnesses are designed to plug into the factory connectors cleanly, which helps preserve original wiring integrity and reduces installation time. Its adjustable input gain allows you to fine-tune signal levels so the factory amplifier plays cleanly without distortion or sudden jumps in volume. Compatibility with a computer update connection means the interface can be updated when needed, extending its usefulness across software or vehicle audio changes. The harness is engineered specifically for amplified Toyota systems, so speaker balance, fading, and overall sound quality are maintained far better than with generic adapters. Backed by Metra Electronics and the Axxess brand, the TYTO-01 feels like a purpose-built solution rather than a universal compromise.